like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail for everybody who's new here, and for all my returning subscribers or viewers, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my house. So as most of y'all may know, I have 4 kids. So my little ones, they went to their dad's house. So this is gonna be my time to clean this house, y'all. And when I say I started to call a maid or housekeeper service, like I just pay. But like cleaning, it's just gonna give me that little motivation to, you know, get some stuff done. So I'm gonna do it myself, and plus I'll be saving some money. But that's not saying I'm not gonna get a housekeeper, because I still might get a housekeeper in the future. But anyway, so yeah, today I'm gonna take this time to clean my house. Pray for me. Pray for me. So I'm just gonna go room from room to room, and I want y'all to clean with me, y'all. Clean with me, and maybe this will give somebody else some motivation to clean their house. You know, you got a little bit of free time, then, you know, that's one step up for me. Just coming home to a clean house, I just feel good. You know what I'm saying? Just walking in, the house is smelling good, everything in its place. My mind, I can focus, I can think straight, and all of it. You know, we all are busy. Anybody else out there is a mom, y'all know how that goes. I also work a full-time job. This is my time to clean my house, reset, get my life together.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch, and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my bully, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, they one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. Ain't just bought a new whip, blow me gasoline. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no lie. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Yes, I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come by. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, none of your business. I wanna get kissed, I don't wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. Inspired the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no lie. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Come to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what I feel with you. You're a dream come true. Oh yeah. Don't you ever leave my side. Oh no. 'Cause it feels so right. I really like what you've done to me. I can't explain it. I'm so into you, baby. What you've done to me, I can't explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't explain it.
I'ma do better, treat you much better, talk to you better. You can get whatever, whatever, whatever. I ain't gon' let up. I'm finna step up. I'ma love on you better, give you whatever. Don't let me down. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. No. Don't let me, don't let me. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Oh yeah.
that you've been hurting. Just let me know if it ain't working. I could put mad spaghettis on you on purpose. You can't go half on a baby on purpose. And then me back, let's close all of the curtains purposely. Everything you do to me, you do it perfectly. And I be in your body like surgery. I got insomnia, I gotta pop a perky to stick, yeah. So that ass round in a circle, please, yeah. So that ass round in a circle for me, yeah. Like you working for me, don't you show no other nigga what you learning from me, yeah.
Whatever I needed to know.
Whatever.
You showed me how to get it when I had nowhere to go.
Whatever.
I wanna rock, I wanna wait it up. I wanna know what I can do.
Ooh. Okay. Yeah.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps is still the game we play. Now look at this, madness the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last.